Good day, grade 11. For this week, our topic is RPE or rate of perceived exertion. We all know how important exercise is to our overall health. While putting in the time to exercise is important, you also need to monitor how hard you are working. One way to track your effort is with the RPE or rate of perceived exertion. This method of measuring activity intensity level is also referred to as the Borg rating of perceived exertion scale. So, what is RPE? RPE, or also known as rating of perceived exertion, is a subjective measure of how hard a person feels like they are working during physical activity. This observation is based on elevated heart rate, increased breathing, and muscle fatigue. This observation corresponds to a scale where the higher the number reported, the more intense the exercise. This is a very simple yet fairly accurate way to monitor and guide exercise intensity. We have two RPE scales that are commonly used. It is important to remember that there's a slight difference between the Borg scale and the RPE scale. To get a better understanding of the difference between the two, to think of it this way. The original Borg scale has a range from 6 to 20, with 6 being no exertion at all and 20 being maximum effort. This scale correlates with a person's heart rate or how hard they feel they are working. The modified RPE scale, the number 2, has a range from 0 to 10, with 0 being no exertion and 10 being at maximum effort. This scale corresponds with uh, more of feeling of breathlessness.